I heard a crack. I heard a crack.
Guys.
It's
Oh my
going.
God. Oh my God.
Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wednesday. Let's get in the zone, the cash money zone. It's April 11th, Wednesday. It's Wolfman Wednesday, that's right. What do we have going on today? We had the import prices today showing prices starting to rise. Didn't really affect commodities. They're still popping up. We have yesterday's Dow almost 200-point sell-off. We also had the equities in the S&Ps come down. We blew right through that pivot point of control area that I've been talking about, 1363. It's really not going to see much volume there, but what that will tell you is whether the bulls are winning or whether the bears are winning. If we're below that number, the bears are winning. Above that number, the bulls are winning. Well, yesterday we sold off below that number. I tweeted out we'd probably hit 1347, which has been our resistance on the way up a long time ago. Now it's going to act as a support on the way down. We didn't quite reach that area. We actually this morning popped back above that pivot area in the S&Ps. The bulls have regained control. We're starting to see that rally. The dollar today is also starting to lose a little bit of strength, so all these commodities across the board are starting to get a bit of lift. We saw a big sell-off in crude oil yesterday. Today it's gained back $1 of that $1.40 loss that it took yesterday. So we also saw the corn here sell off late in the day, almost 14 cents, just to get a little bit back at the end of the day. We're starting to see some support with that weakening dollar today. We're up a little bit. Back months are still further out. But what I was talking about on Friday about this spot, the futures, basically the corn growers, the farmers right now can literally go to the grain elevators, sell what they have in their own silos, and literally buy the futures contract, buy some calls, and you're scalping it. You're taking your product, you're selling it at the elevator, and you're literally scooping it up 20 to 60 cents cheaper off of the market here, down here at the Chicago Board of Trade. Great scalp for farmers. They can make a lot of money. I hope that some of those guys have figured that out, but if they are, they're making some cash. Take that. Anyway, moving on, we saw the equities kind of catch that bid, pushing the treasuries down, basically giving up all the gains that they saw yesterday. We're going to have to see whether at the end of the day this is going to act as support in this 1363 to see if the equities can actually kind of break this 5-day sell-off that we've seen coming along down the pipe, all right? If you can't take that, take it easy.